The Peace Project. Friday morning buzzed with excitement. It was the last day of Hope Week, and the class had one big project left: the school showcase theme. The teacher said the theme should show teamwork and hope. At first, everyone had ideas. "Let's do sports," shouted Jaden. "No, music," said Lila. Soon the class grew noisy. Some students were talking over each other. Others were frowning or rolling their eyes. Miss Lee raised her hand. "Class," she said gently, "let's pause. Remember habit 5. Seek first to understand. Let's listen to each person's reason before we decide." The room went quiet. Jaden spoke first. "Sports bring people together," he said. "When we play on a team, we learn to trust and cheer for each other." Then Lila shared, "Music helps people feel calm. Even when we're sad, songs can make us hopeful again." A few students nodded. Then Maya raised her hand. "What if we combine both? We could call it team harmony. Sports show teamwork and music shows peace. Together they make hope." Everyone's faces brightened. The whole class cheered. Yes, team harmony. They spent the rest of the day making posters, recording songs, and creating sports-themed rhythms with basketball bounces and claps. When they presented it at the showcase, parents and teachers smiled and clapped along. Afterward, Miss Lee said, "I'm proud of you. You listened, you worked together, and you made something beautiful." That night, the students logged into Thrively and opened the Passion Project tool. They combined their interests, sports, music, and teamwork into one group journal. Together, they wrote, "Understanding first helped us find peace. Peace helped us work together. And when we work together, hope feels at home."